Congratulations to the graduates! I am so proud of each and every one of you. I remember when I graduated from college, I wanted to lounge around and savor the time that I was finally free from school. Yes! But you know, looking back, that wasn't such a good idea because it's really hard to look for work after the job hunting season is over. Today, let me give you tips on how to prepare for your first interview. Tip number 1, research about the company that you are applying for. This is the most basic information that you should get because why would you apply for a company that you have no idea about? The other part about this tip when you speak to the interviewer is that they will see that you have initiative to do your homework. This is a definite plus for you. Tip number 2, Filipino time is on time. Don't be late for your interview. I cannot tell you how annoying it is to meet up with a friend who is always late. What more for your potential employer? You should be at least an hour early so that your potential employer will see that you are prioritizing the position available for you. Tip number 3, dress appropriately for the interview. You should dress according to the job you are applying for. Let's say you're going to the gym to apply for a coaching job, then you don't have to show up in a coat and tie. Hello? But if you're applying for a job in the corporate world, you cannot show up in ripped jeans and a t-shirt. You really have to dress appropriately. We cannot stress enough how important it is to pay attention to how you look and how you smell. And not to mention your breath. Look professional always with Sil's Spray Starch. Now, I'm going to show you a demo of the correct way of ironing clothing. Cuff, sleeve, collar, body. Cuff, sleeve, collar, body. That's gonna be your dance step and your mantra and your código. First things first. You have to plug your iron. So we begin with the cuff. We spray 12 to 14 inches away from the fabric. There. And then you get ready with your iron and you do it on the inside first of your cuff. There you go. Cuff, sleeve, collar, body. There, and there. After the inside part of the cuff is done, we go to the sleeves now. Again, you get your you can make it slide across. And then when you get to the parts with the little creases, that's when you use the pointy parts of your iron. Of course, the sleeve has yet another side. Another side. There you go. So you're ready with your sleeve. Collar. You do the inside first and then the outside. Lay it flat. Spray, again, 12 to 14 inches away from the fabric and then you slide it across the collar. But what you want to do is you want to use the back part more to flatten out the collar. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. You put more pressure on the back side. And then you do the other side. Lay it again flat and then pull it on one side and then you go across it now with your cute iron. Tadang! Now the body. You will do one side muna. You lay it flat. So there you go. Then you weave in and out of the buttons. Now we're at the back part. It's done now. See, all you have to do is spray and then you're like, yay! We're done with the back and now we're gonna finish up with the front. So there, once you have your rhythm, it's easy to do the ironing. Yay! So what you want to do is you don't wear it right away because hello, it's kind of mainit, it's still warm, and it may negate all the hard work that you have put into your ironing. So what you do is you hang it first. With Sil Spray Starch, you will be ironing with so much ease and look ready for that next endeavor. Look professional always with Sil Spray Starch.
Guaranteed German quality from Monheim.